Welcome to Please Check Out channel. As you can see today I have one remote control, two remote control and three remote controls. Here you can see this remote control is for this train, GeoTrax, and these are all made by Fisher-Price as you can see. So here you can see I have three Fisher-Price GeoTrax remote control train. The first one here is the black one here, and it comes with the two tracks, these two tracks, first one and second one. And the first train has a Thomas at the back here. At the rear you can see Thomas. You can also put Thomas here in the cart. Look at this. This way it fits well. And you can also put it right there. So the each train has two carts, you can see. And all of them are remote control. This is the second one. It has a light, you can see the light is on. So this is how you can also turn it on and off without the remote here. And here you can see two huge popsicle. I said huge as compared to the cart. These are Play-Doh popsicle. So these are Play-Doh creations. The first one here you can see. So here you can see two popsicles. This is the second train. This is white, and you can see the remote is white and blue. So the major color of this train is white and blue. And this is the station. Here you can see it says GeoTrax, and three major colors it has. At the rear you can see the station. It says Fisher-Price here. So after the second train is over, let me now bring the third train, and this one it comes with a remote too. You can see, I believe this is the remote for this, and the first one is this. Alright, let me now show you this train. The major color is gray and red. Here you can see gray and red, and it comes with the Thomas, but Thomas fell off, but that's okay. This little Thomas is here, and some Play-Doh creations, because it doesn't look good when the cart is empty, and it's very easy to attach them. You can see it's done. You can also take this off and attach it. So this is the third one. Same way you can turn the light on and off. You can see here's the light, and these are all remote control. So let me go ahead and turn them on. It needs like 3 AAA batteries for this one. I believe the other one also needs 3 AAA batteries. So this train also comes with sound. Let me now turn it on, turn the remote on. You heard the sound, and the cool thing of this train is it also goes backward, which is really cool. Oh, that was fast. Now you can see how they look. Oh, there's an accident. Anyway, 2 trains with popsicle, little creation. Oh, that was fast. The other one is coming. Ooh, made it. And the third one got stuck here. Ooh. You can now see all 3 trains